Wow. Can you silip this one? Silip here. Check it. Check it. Come on, go back to daddy. It's very hot. Yeah. No. Good job. Great job. Okay, good job. It's your 7-Eleven.
Wow, 7-Eleven. This is 7-Eleven you.
Let's go na to the table. Go eating. Oh, get your 7-Eleven po. Get your 7-Eleven, please. And let's go back. Let's go back eating. Let's go back eating. Huh? Oh, you go to daddy. Go to daddy. Walk there in our table. Yeah, go eating na. Bigay mo cellphone mo kasi wala akong dala.